In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back WordPress and undo WordPress updates, whether you've made changes to your site that you need to reverse or simply want to restore an earlier version of your content. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. We'll cover everything from accessing your WordPress dashboard to restoring a previous revision of your site and making sure everything runs smoothly afterward. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have complete control over your website's history and be able to undo updates with confidence. If you're new to WordPress, you'll find a link in the description to create your account and get started. First, let's begin by accessing your WordPress dashboard. Open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website by typing in www.wordpress.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the login option. Go ahead and click on it. Now, instead of entering a username and password manually, select the option labeled Continue with Google. This method is not only faster, but also provides a secure way to authenticate using your Google account. Once you click that, you'll see a list of Google accounts already signed into your browser. Simply choose the account associated with your WordPress site, and you'll be logged in without needing to remember yet another password. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to accessing the page editor. On your dashboard, locate the title of the page you want to edit. It should be clearly displayed on the screen. Click on the page title to open the editor. This is where all the magic happens. You can manage content, make revisions, and, most importantly for today, restore previous versions of your site. Once you're inside the page editor, it's time to locate the revisions section. Look to the panel on the right-hand side of the screen. Scroll down until you see a section labeled Revisions. When you find it, click on it to reveal a summary of all the changes that have been made to your page over time. This feature is incredibly useful because it keeps a record of all updates, big or small, giving you a clear history of your site's evolution. To dive deeper into the details, click on the clickable link located right next to the Revisions heading. This will expand the detailed revision view, where you can see specific changes made in each version of your site. This expanded view is particularly helpful if you want to examine the exact differences between one version and another. Next, let's move on to selecting and restoring a revision. In the detailed revision view, you'll notice a scroller at the top of the screen. This scroller acts like a timeline, allowing you to navigate through all past revisions of your page. Simply drag the scroller left or right to browse through the history of changes. As you move it, you'll see the changes displayed below, comparing the current version to the selected revision. Take your time here. Carefully review the differences to determine which version you'd like to restore. Once you've identified the version you want to roll back to, look for the Restore this revision option and click on it. This action will return your page to the selected state, undoing any updates or modifications made after that revision. It's a powerful tool to ensure your site looks and functions just the way you want it to. Finally, it's important to review your restored website. After completing the rollback process, take a moment to visit your site and ensure everything is working as expected. Check that the content is accurate, the layout looks correct, and that all functionality is intact. This final step is crucial to confirm that the rollback was successful and that your site is back to its optimal state. And that's how you roll back WordPress updates and restore previous revisions of your site. With this method, you can easily undo changes, recover earlier versions, and maintain full control over your website's content. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.